What's up, everyone? It's me, your Shulichi, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For the first time, I'm going to shout out a mega love shout out to all Geromantics and RCFC all over the world. Yes, because we received a request to check out this duet performance of Ruel and Jerome sa Eat Bulaga. Oh my God, ang tagal na palang request to, abay hindi pa natin nare-reactan. Kaya naman nandito na, opo, mga ka-Geromantics at mga ka-RCFC. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hey, Elvis Presley is Jerome Ebardome. First time to do it nilang dalawa. Thank you po sa nag-request nitong video na ito.
The clone of the king of rock and roll. Ito na si Jerome Ebardome.
Love me tender.
Never let me go.
Ito talaga ang low tone nito ni Jerome.
You have made my life complete. And
Sinimplihan lang.
I love you so.
Diba, iba yung yung charisma, yung dating, atake.
Love me tender, love me true.
Para ka talaga nakikinig kay Elvis.
All my dreams fulfilled.
Diba, the emotion, the feels.
For my
Ang mga mami, oh.
I love you. And
Ay, nagturo pa.
always will.
Diba yung lambing, yung feels, grabe yun.
Love me tender, love me dear, take me to your heart.
Ganda ng low tone talaga. Ay, may pa flying kiss!
That I belong and will never part. Love me
Po, yung
tender, love
charisma ng vocal.
all my dreams fulfilled.
Diba? Very Elvis, guys. Grabe.
For my darling, I love you, and I always will.
Ganda ng low tone na yun. Kabog.
You're a very good audience. Thank you.
You're a very good audience.
I know you've been waiting for this concert, and now it's here. And for my very second song, it's just a very tender pop song. Of
Tender
Elvis.
pop
And
song.
it goes on like this. Prepared? Play, go.
Elvis Presley and Matt Monroe, the concert pala to sa Eat Bulaga. Ay! Oh my God! Ang galing!
We still have this feeling.
Grabe yung nostalgia vibes.
And never let me go. 'Cause tomorrows can be so uncertain. Love can fly and leave just hurt. Kiss me quick because
Ay!
I love you so, love you so, love you so.
Grabe, very Elvis, guys. Evident na evident. If you close your eyes, Elvis Presley.
Kiss me quick and make my heart go crazy. Sigh that sigh and whisper oh sorrow.
So, very at ease lang si Jerome. Gamay na gamay. Hey!
Last forever. Say that you will leave me never. Kiss me quick because I love you so, so.
Diba? Iba din yung parang may lande yung boses niya dun sa mga thin notes na yun.
Oh, let the band keep playing.
Hey!
Oh, while we are swaying, let's keep on praying. But do ever stop?
Diba? Pati mga audience napapasaya.
Kiss me quick.
Yung mga knee
I
moves.
just can't stand this waiting.
Ang maganda kay Jerome, he doesn't need to have an outfit or to look like Elvis kasi yung boses talaga yung pinag-uusapan dito sa dalawang songs.
Cause your lips are lips I long to know.
Gosh.
For that kiss will open heaven's door, and we'll stay there forevermore. So kiss me quick because I love you so.
Ganda ng vocal techniques niya.
Kiss me quick because I love you so.
Hey! Oh my gosh!
Thank you very much.
Ay, ito naman ang ating Matt Monroe, si Bunso, Ruel Carino.
The clone of the man with the golden voice. Ito na si Ruel Carino.
Ay, ibang outfitan ng Ruel. Ang pogi ni Bunso dito.
Walk away, please go.
Iba din.
Before you throw your life away, a life that I could share for just a day.
Iba din ang hagod ng isang Ruel Carino. At grabe, I love the outfit. The styling is very, very good.
We should have met
Saka yung diction, yung pronunciation.
some years ago. For your sake I say, walk away, just go. Walk away and live
Ang cute talaga ng smile ng Ruel. No? Pati mata niya
a
nag-smile.
life that's full with no regret. Don't look back at me.
Ang kay Ruel talaga yung diction and enunciation. Very, very crisp. Very on point.
Just try to forget.
Tuwa-tuwa ang mommy, oh.
Why build a dream
Parang umupo pa siya
that
doon.
cannot come true?
Hey!
So be strong, reach the stars now. Walk away, walk on.
Yun yung sinasabi nila yung pag nag-high note si Ruel, yung akala mo kakapusin, pero on point siya.
If I heard your voice, I'd beg you to stay.
Iba yung vocal escalation.
So don't say a word, just to run away. Goodbye, my love.
Mas maka-nostalgia naman.
My tears will
Kantahan talaga.
fall. Now that you're gone, I can't help but cry. But I must go on.
Diba? Si tatay, oh, give na give din talaga sa pag-duet kay Ruel.
I'm sad that I
Very Matt Monroe talaga.
after searching so long, knew
Diba yung-
I loved you, but told you, walk away, walk on.
Grabe din yung high notes na, ang tawag siguro din ni Ruel, high notes na parang kapos, pero sorry, on point. Ganda rin ang notes.
Hi, Lovercats.
Yung pag ganun.
Kumusta? Good? Wala. Hindi po ako magpipilosopo ngayon.
Hindi siya magpipilosopo.
Now, one more. This one was released 1978 ata. Goes by the title La 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 La. Hindi, joke lang po. May effects. Music po.
Oh, If I Never Sing Another Song. Oh my God. Nireactan ko to nung kinanta niya sa ano. Kanino ba yun? Kay James Watson ba yun? Yung nasa recording studio.
In my heyday,
Oh,
young girls run to me. Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me.
very evident din talaga yung Matt Monroe vocal verse ng isang gabi.
Everyone I saw also they knew me once upon a song. Main attractions couldn't buy seats.
Every
The
word is well
celebrities would die to
pronounced.
me. I've had every accolade bestowed on me.
Diba? Accolade.
And so you see,
Come on, Rebel.
if I never sing another
Uy,
song,
mama ni Jerome yun, diba?
it shouldn't
Oh my God, ang cute.
bother me. I've had my share of fame. You know my name.
Kabog.
If I never sing another song or take
So, hindi bumubuka talaga
another bow,
yung bibig niya, but it's so
I
clear.
would get by, but I'm not sure how.
Diba? Ito na yung ano, la 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 la.
La 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 la.
Diba? In
I
harmony.
would get by, but I'm not sure how.
Hey!
very much.
Saka napaka-goofy kasi ni Ruel eh.
Number cards.
Very
Eto pa.
entertaining. Ano isa pa? Ba't ganun? Kay ano, Ruel tatlo, tapos kay Jerome dalawa lang. Charis.
A portrait of my love for nobody could paint a dream.
Ah, duet sila. Kala ko tatlo kay Ruel eh. Charis.
Will never see surprise.
Oh my God! Parang ano, yung sa concert nila, nagpalitan sila ng kanta. So, kakanta rin si Ruel ng Elvis. Let's see. Ang kitang smile ng Ruel, oh. Iba din. Ano, zero?
Never see.
Love that low note.
Anyone who sees her soon forgets the Mona Lisa. It would take, I know,
Oh my God, grabe. Ang galing ni Jerome.
Michelangelo.
Ang ganda nung pagkakakanta niya, the Jerome Ebardomi Elvis way. It was so good.
Even here with me, the glow of dawn that paints the sky above to try and paint a portrait of my
Diba?
love.
With the nuisance of Elvis, it was so good. Mag-bestie talaga sila. Iba ang smile ng Ruel. Oh, cute!
It would take, I know,
Ay, magduduwit lang sila sa ano, Portrait of my
of
Love.
Michelangelo, and he would leave the glow of dawn that paints the sky above to try and paint a portrait
harmony. Oh my God, ang galing nun! Kabog! Ah, ito na, Elvis naman.
Baby, let me be your loving teddy bear.
Eh, ang cute!
Oh, let's sing around my neck, and let me anywhere. Oh, let me be. Oh, let it be. Oh, teddy bear.
Ah, nag-backup ano pa, ah.
Be a tiger. Tigers play to run. I
Eh!
don't wanna be a lion. Lions ain't the kind you love enough. I just want
In fairness kay Ruel, I love it. He's doing it.
lions ain't the kind you love enough. I just want
Oh, diba? Ang cute!
your teddy bear. Put a chain around my
Eh, bigay na bigay si
Meet
Mommy
me
doon.
anywhere. Oh, let me be. Oh, let it be your teddy bear. Baby, let me be around you every night. Run your fingers through my hair.
Ang cute!
Cuddle me real tight. Oh,
Akalain nyo nag-a-upbeat din ang Ruel.
let it be. Let him be your teddy bear. Don't wanna be a tiger. Tigers play too rough.
In fairness, sana magkaroon sila ng concert silang dalawa, no?
Lions ain't the
Feeling ko kakabog din yung ma-harmony and back up. Ang cute nung ano, vocal na yun ni Jerome.
Oh, let him be. Oh, teddy bear. Oh, let me be. Oh, let him be your teddy bear. I just wanna be your teddy bear.
Oh! Galing! Wow! Hey, blue suede shoes. Wapas ito. Ruel at headtone.
You can knock me down, step
Hey!
slapping my name all over the place. Do anything that you want to do, but honey, lay all of that tears, don't you step on my blue suede shoes.
Ang cute!
Ooh, you can do anything, but lay all of my blue suede shoes. Oh, well, there's a blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes, yeah.
Oh! Uma-adlib.
Blue suede shoes, you can do anything, but lay off of my blue suede shoes.
Galing ni Jerome doon. Hey! Oh my God! Elvis Presley and Matt Monroe, Ruel and Jerome. There you have it, guys. That is the full performance of Elvis Presley and Matt Monroe, aka Ruel Carino and Jerome Ebardome. Concert sa Eat Bulaga. For sure, sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga ka-Jeromantics at ka-RCFC natin when they watch this performance. Ang ganda! I know, you know what? They can pull up their own show together, no? Sana they can create that like a concert, the two of them, no? Face-to-face, Matt Monroe and Elvis Presley. Bukod dun sa Santa Claus na ginawa nila, they did a great job here. And Ruel, like, go out of his comfort zone, singing Elvis Presley song. Ang galing and ang groovy, very entertaining. Both of them did a really, really great job vocally and also as the clone of Matt Monroe and Elvis Presley. What can you say about that performance, guys? You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin yan. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction video for today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're into this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shulasia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.